Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion template to manage contracts and documents in 2025. The fastest way is to grab a document manager or contract tracker template. This usually comes with properties for contract type, parties involved, start with an end date, statute, and file storage. With this ready to made, structure it, you can skip the setup and focus on organizing. Once the template is in your workspace, upload or embedded your contracts directly into the page. You can attach PDFs, links to cloud storage, or paste text for quick reference. Add tags like active, pending, or expired so you can filter and find documents instantly. Notion database views make it even easier to use calendar view to track expired contracts, a board view to group of documents by statute, or a table view for a detailed master list to connect things like your contracts database to finance supplier management or a project tracker inside Notion. This way you will always see which contracts are tied to which client or vendor, and when you need to share, just use Notion share feature for secure professional link instead of a messy attachment. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.